Hi, Stormer with the Stormer Group, and I have got a really special property for you today. There's 5.37 acres flat usable land. It is especially zoned at an A15, which is light agricultural. So you can bring anything you want to this property and have your business here as well. There's lots to see here, so enjoy the tour. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath home is move-in ready. It is on a 433 permanent foundation, and there's so much growth happening around us. We're close to the new Liberty High School, we're on paved roads, and we're close to the freeways. If you want more information, give me a call.